Please subscribe for the Tech channel, like it and share it. Neet PG is a highly competitive exam where the preparation demands a comprehensive study of all 19 subjects and MBBS student studies during his graduation. Almost all the students who are seeking admission through NEET exam are going to give their 100%, but not all the students can qualify. Then the question remains as to what it takes to crack NEET PG exam. We will share a few NEET PG tips and tricks to help you sail through the preparation process. Count the number of days at hand. Make monthly, weekly, daily, and hourly plans. Divide the number of days you wish to give to each topic. Be well versed with the weightage of each topic. Club similar topics such as anatomy, surgery, pathology, medicine to save time. Divide topics into blocks. Know that intensive time management is the key to success. Here is a sample study plan for crack NEET PG exam. Prepare blocks and dedicate a number of days for each subject as block 1. Total days 15 days. 1 week for anatomy. 3 days for physiology. 2 days for biochemistry. Catch up 3 days. Total 15 days. Block 2. Total days 18 days. Pathology 5 days. Pharmacology 5 days. Microbiology 2 days. Forensic medicine 3 days. Catch up 3 days. Total 18 days. Block 3. Total days 15 days. Ophthalmology 3 days. ENT 2 days. SPM 7 days. Catch up 3 days. Total 15 days. Block 4. Total days 17 days. Medicine 5 days. Psychiatry 3 days. Dermatology 3 days. Pediatrics 3 days. Catch up 3 days. Total 17 days. Block 5. Total days 26 days. Surgery 5 days. Orthopedics 2 days. Anesthesia 3 days. Radiology 3 days. Gynecology 5 days. Obstetrics 5 days. Catch up 3 days. Total 26 days. Begin your preparation with the short subjects. Weightage wise, the short subjects contribute to 65 questions in the NEET PG exam only on the basis of knowledge acquired in MBBS. If an average student attempts NEET PG, he or she would get at least 50% questions right. But if you go unprepared for NEET PG psychiatry, you will lose out on almost 10 questions. Quick tip: if you give a thorough reading to 50 pages of notes on psychiatry, you would easily be able to answer 8 out of the 10 MCQs. 8 out of the 10 MCQs. Hence, the volume to yield ratio is very high for short subjects. Number of questions subject wise. In part A, anatomy 17 questions, physiology 17 questions, biochemistry 16 questions. In part B, pathology 25 questions, pharmacology 20 questions, microbiology 20 questions, forensic medicine 10 questions, social and preventive medicine 25 questions. In part C, General medicine, including dermatology and venereology and psychiatry, 45 questions. General surgery, including orthopedics, anesthesia, and radio diagnosis, 45 questions. Obstetrics and gynecology, 30 questions. Pediatrics, 10 questions. ENT, 10 questions. Ophthalmology, 10 questions. Total 300 questions. Focus on clearing your concepts. At this point, the students should prepare a list of doubts that they have and clear them with the help of their peers or by referring books. The questions in the NEET PG exam are asked in a confounded manner, and students need to be extremely well versed with the topic to answer such questions. Practice, practice, and more practice. As they say, practice makes a man perfect. In the case of NEET PC, practice is what will give you the confidence to clear the exam. The more revision and practice you will do, the more knowledge you will gain. Make sure to attempt practice questions and subject wise tests on completion of every topic, as this would help you apply the concepts you learned. Do not attempt full length tests during this phase. Please subscribe Pardu Tech channel, like it and share it. All the best. Thank you.